From CBS 4, this is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackHelp.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackHelp.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier.
Hello, I'm Tom Martino. Thanks for watching this important program. You know, building wealth the right way does not have to be complicated. Too many of us have overthought the process and made risky investments in real estate or the stock market, or we've gotten involved in qualified retirement plans that have way too many limitations. But there is a way to build wealth, plan for our retirement, and have full use of our money along the way. It's called Become the Banker. With me now is Joseph Ciano. He's a certified financial planner to give us details on this system. Joe, at first it sounds too good to be true. You put your money away and it grows tax-free. You can take it out tax-free. It produces income. What's it all about?
Well, Tom, I'm glad you asked me that question because I believe that this is the answer to today's negative economy. This strategy, Becoming Your Own Banker, was designed to help anybody achieve financial security by eliminating the high finance charges, creating a tax-free retirement, reducing taxes, and offering a 4% and guaranteed tax-free rate of return for life.
And how is it better than the stock market then?
It is the opposite, Tom. This is a predictable rate of return. While the stock market goes up and down, people suffer financially. We meet people that have lost an insane amount of money, and they happen to be forced to go back to work at retirement age.
So that's important. Your money is completely safe.
Absolutely. This concept has been around for over 300 years. It's been time-tested and proven. It's already survived the depression, the stock market crash. And if you look at all those famous people who have used the concept, it will tell you the power, including Denver's most famous family, the Becher family.
Now let's talk about the guaranteed rate of return. You can earn that or more. How does that work?
Well, you can earn, the 4% is guaranteed and it's tax-free. So depending on your tax bracket, you're going to be getting between 6 and 7%.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
You also may be getting a dividend, which is in addition to the 4%. So you're looking at least between 6 to 7% tax-free.
So walk me through a typical plan then. You put money away and it's growing, but then you can borrow from it.
Right. Unlike a bank, if you look at a typical bank, you put money into the bank and they're going to give you a very low interest rate, right? Mm-hmm. I think the highest is like less than 1%.
Yes.
But when you go back and borrow from their pool of money, they're going to charge you 6 to 9%, and they're going to require credit checks and fees. Right?
Yes.
What's wrong with that picture?
They're making all the money.
Right, and not us.
Right.
As a matter of fact, we have this clipping from today's newspaper. Bank fees are a mile high. An ATM fee is almost $4.
So the idea is when you're borrowing this money, you're paying yourself back.
Right, so you can create your own pool of money, put money in, take out your money, right, and pay yourself back.
Now, let's hear from a client that you helped, Nancy and her husband.
Be glad to do that.
It feels good to have our money in a safe place where we know we can get to it without paying additional taxes or fees, and we can borrow it at any time and actually make some additional money. So it's been nice to kind of have that security. This is a really safe, no risk way to put some money for the near future, for your retirement, put it away, and not just it's safe.
All right, let's talk about the seminars. No obligation. You have them coming up in October, and we'll get the details in a second here, but tell me about those. What do they learn?
Okay, they're phenomenal seminars. They're educational, they're free, and people will learn a new strategy on how to become financially more successful.
So here are the details on the free seminars with no obligation. Tuesday, October 9th in Centennial at 6:30 in the evening for dinner. Free. And Saturday, October 13th in Westminster at 9:30 in the morning for a free breakfast. Seating is limited, so call for a reservation. 303-791-0398. That's 303-791-0398. The first 20 callers get a free book entitled Become the Banker. You can also register at becomethebanker.org, and Become the Banker paid for this segment.